What's happening, everyone? Art here, and today I'm going to bring you a fun episode. We're going to take a little field trip with two of our cars over to Drive Cartel's Modest Showcase tomorrow. Now, this is one of the biggest events of our season, and we always like to show up with a couple cool builds and set up our booth and be a vendor here. Now, this year we're going to be bringing out the Volvo 242, the in-progress build that's about 80% done, and we're also packing up the Patience Metal Fab and Novum Collab MR2 Kit Car. Now, that thing you might have seen in the background in some of our videos, but this is going to be the first major debut for it, and it's also going to be competing in their rivals competition, so fingers crossed that it does well. Right now the guys are assembling the rest of the Volvo. The engine and transmission has been out, so that's got to go back in. Everything's got to get plumbed and really get show ready. So I'm going to throw on my work shirt, get out there and help them out, and then we're going to be loading up in about 4 hours to make it out to Modest. Just showing up to the River Center in St. Paul for Modest Showcase. This is the event we've been preparing the Volvo 242 for the last couple of months for, and we barely made it. Last night we stayed up till about 10 p.m. getting that car ready, getting it to the venue and offloaded, and then the guys came in early this morning and kind of polished up our space. So I'm coming in here, I'm already seeing a lot of cool cars. I'm gonna go check out the PMF booth, and then I'm gonna walk around, see what's around, and kind of give you guys a lay of the land of this place. It is awesome over here. There are hundreds of the coolest cars in the Midwest, and Volvo 242 is one of them. I think it's gonna get a ton of attention. So enjoy the footage, let's see what's out there.
Okay guys, our winner of our first rivals at Modest 2025 is Patience Metal Fab. Come on up. Give it up for Patience, guys.
Just give us a little rundown of this build. You know what I mean? Kind of foundation. Why'd you go that route? Just tell us a little something, something.
Oh man, it's been, we got thousands of hours of engineering, simulation, design, fabrication into this car. It kind of started out as a race car build, but it escalated really quickly. You put some engineers in the room, give them a blank sheet of paper, this is kind of what happened. So this is the first time we've really showed it publicly. I think it's a great example of what the team can do. And super excited to share it with you guys, and thank you so much for the lot.
Nice work, guys. Give it up for Patience Metal Fab.
It was that kit car on an MR2 frame. Gorgeously done. And it's still a work in progress, you know what I mean? Ain't they all? But great job doing what you guys. Make sure to check them out and for all their fab work, race car, this stuff, you know? The vehicle of the event